Hello everyone. Welcome to this short walkthrough of a Java-based online quiz system designed to demonstrate multiple object-oriented programming concepts. Let's begin. The program starts by creating an abstract class named Question. This class stores two important pieces of information: the question text and the correct answer. It has a constructor that initializes these values and two abstract methods, display and checkAnswer. Because the class is abstract, child classes must override these methods. There is also a getter method showing encapsulation, so the question text cannot be accessed directly. Next, we have a subclass called MCQ_Question. This class inherits from question and adds an array of multiple choice options. Here, the keyword super calls the parent constructor. Then, the class overrides the abstract methods. Display prints the question and all answer choices, and checkAnswer verifies whether the user's input matches the correct option. This demonstrates polymorphism and method overriding. Now, let's look at the quiz class, which controls the entire game. An array list is used to store a list of question objects. The loadQuestions method creates 3 sample questions, along with option arrays. We also see string operations, like converting text to uppercase, and a bitwise OR operator being used to define correct answers. All these questions are then added polymorphically into the same list, meaning a list of the parent type stores child class objects. When Start Quiz runs, the program loops through each question, displays it, takes a valid input using exception handling and recursion, then checks the answer and updates the score. After all questions are answered, the final score is printed, and the score gets saved into a file named score.txt. Using file writing streams, again wrapped in a try-catch block for error handling. Finally, in the main method, execution begins. A quiz object is created, questions are loaded, and the quiz starts only if a condition is true. So in summary, this single program demonstrates abstract classes, inheritance and polymorphism, constructors and encapsulation, collections and arrays, string operations, recursion and input validation, file I/O and exception handling. A complete mini project built from core Java concepts. Thanks for watching, and happy coding. Now, let's look at how you can test this Java quiz program. First, save the file using the same name as the public class, which is random.java. Open a terminal or command prompt in the folder where the file is stored. Compile the program using javac random.java. If there are no errors, run the program with Java random. You should now see the message, Online Quiz System, followed by the first multiple-choice question. To answer each question, simply type the option number, like 1, 2, 3, or 4, and press Enter. If you enter something that isn't a number, the program will show an input validation message and ask you again. This is where recursion is helping. Once all questions are answered, your final score is displayed. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You have successfully tested a complete Java quiz system using OOP concepts.